Okay, so dropped off the Mirage at this wonderful place that's not too far from where I live. Dropped it off on Sunday night because the car had a lot of rail dust on it, which if you look at my last video, I pointed it out. So here I am to pick it up. That's the website if you want to go check them out. New ownership as of December. They've been in business for 7+ years, so really good guys, and the new owner is amazing. So you'll note they did a really good job at getting rid of all the dirt and grime, and no rail dust to speak of. Apparently he said it took him 3 treatments to get it all off because it was really stubborn. And also had the salt. There was lots of salt in here, so that's all been steamed out. And the car looks new, and it smells new again. So I'm probably going to be coming to see him once every few months to get a proper hand wash, because this is amazing. Thanks for watching, and I'll be doing more of these videos as this car ages gracefully.